people have less clarity about the duration of the examination for CFA level 1. So there are two slots for the examination, each of 2 hours and 15 minutes. So your first slot will be started for 2 hours 15 minutes. There is a particular timer on your screen. As soon as you start your examination, the time will start to begin, and this depends how and when you start your examination. If you start your examination, your timer will begin and it will be of 2 hours and 15 minutes. 2 hours and 15 minutes will be your first slot. After that you have optional break of half hour. So you can, it's all about to you whether you want to take the optional break or not. If you want to take, if you want to eat, repeat, recite, or whatever you want to do in the half hour, you can do. If you don't want to do these things, you just wanna take 10 minutes break, then also you can take. So this is the optional kind of break of half hour. And if you do not come in half hour, then your second session will start and the timer will begin automatically, because after a process this will begin automatically. So the another session is also of 2 hours and 15 minutes. The 2 hours and 15 minutes will be your another slot for your second session, or whatever paper which is of the second session. So around, so we can break the things like 2 hours 15 minutes for your first session for CFA level 1. Then again your second session will start. You have in between, you have optional break of half hours. If you want to take, then that is totally okay. If you do not want to take, then you can proceed further for your next session, that is 2 hours or 15 minutes. So in totality we need to give examination of almost 4 hours and 30 minutes. So make sure that you have proper rest before your examination. You have meal in between. If you have a proper meal, not so much heavy. A proper diet uh, means to say that you have some sort of light diet of fruits and all. And the another thing is, that is, this is the first and foremost thing which you need to carry in the examination, that is the valid international passport. Make sure that your passport is not expired, and make sure that you arrange it, or because it is the procedural document, or it takes so much time, so as soon as arrange it. All right.